Imagine sleeping for 8 months without aging a single day. While humans dream of the fountain of youth, this rodent in Alaska has mastered it naturally. Meet the Alaska marmot, a unique species found in the Brooks Range. Once mistaken for the hoary marmot, scientists now know it is distinct and possesses a biological secret. During hibernation, this mammal undergoes extreme metabolic suppression. Its body temperature drops to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and its heartbeat slows from 200 down to just 30 beats per minute. Remarkably, their biological clock seems to stop completely. Even after months in the den, new studies show they experience almost no epigenetic changes or DNA damage during this long sleep. This state is not merely a nap, it is a powerful preservation mechanism. Biologically speaking, the marmot emerges from winter at the exact same age as when it entered in early fall. Yellow-bellied relatives also utilize this strategy, delaying their aging process by hibernating for 7 to 8 months annually. This proves that hibernation is a key survival tool. So, while we count time by seconds, the marmot counts it in cycles where biology stands still. It is a natural example of how life can pause and reset. Nature holds many biological secrets like this one. What other animal adaptations do you think could help humans? Let us know in the comments below.